So in this video, we'll be seeing like how we can integrate Eddyter in a couple of minutes via vibe coding tools like Cursor, Claude, Lovable. You can use any other if you have, so that's totally fine. So we'll just go with the process here and we'll see how we can do it. So currently I have running this project here called as Eddy News. Now I have listing of all these articles over here for the news section here. You can see this is how it looks, and that's where we'll be integrating our editor to enhance the content writing on the section over here. So if I just go back to the admin and then see, this is a normal text area where I just simply enter the text. Now we'll be integrating our editor over here. So to start the integration, all we need is go to the docs section of the editor.com, and then there on prompt would be. So this is I'm going to prompt it as let's integrate the editor for rich content writing, and here's the doc for this, and I'm given the access for that particular link there. So now while the AI will do the magic here, so I'll just move forward to the website. So once you log in into the portal there, this is the section where you can just have your license key. Now I'm here and I have my license key over here. So if you want to create a new license key, you can simply go and can do it. So let's say we'll just name it at Eddy News, and these are the features that you can toggle on and off based on what exactly you need to keep visible on your toolbar there. So I'll just keep it like all enabled for now, creating this key. So now I have my key is Eddy News. This is my key over here. If I just go and open this one, you can see this is a code that I can copy simply. Once that will be needed by the AI tool, which is Cursor at the moment that we are doing. So we'll run this process. Just keep on continuing over there. That's totally fine. And you can also review things if in case you need. That's also okay. If your vibe coding tool takes a little longer there and it's unable to find or read the documentation from there, you can simply just go back to the doc section there, and then it's the installation command that you can just simply go and can type this command there. And this is also the editor is also there on the npm here, so you can also grab the command and you can just paste it there. So editor will the vibe coding tool will start doing the magic from there, if that's taking a little longer for you for your programming tool to get it there online. As you can see that this tool got the access to the editor API from the npm doc, so it's now installing it. So once it will install, we will further continue the video from here. So here the editor got installed successfully. Now we have to paste up the key over here. Now you can also go to this particular variable and can enter up your key there. That's totally fine. But for the vibe process, as we're just demonstrating the vibe process over here, so I'll just rather go and copy my key from there, and instead I'll just move it to the prompt area as well. Please add my key for editor. So I can do it. I'm just like going without the programming way over here. It's just like pure for the vibe programmer. So if you're an experienced developer as well, that's totally fine. You can just go in the code and can do it on the code as well. Now you can see that's totally done now, and you can see on the admin section where we were creating the blog section, the article section. Now we have our editor right over there. So I'll just expand the screen a little more there so that you can see this toolbar like more in clearance. So now the editor is successfully integrated over there. Now I'll just copy some content from online. I will paste it right over here. Now we'll copy some content. Let's say we just move over to the blog section of ours here, and then let's say this is the section I wanted to copy. So I can simply go and let's say I'll just copy the content from here until here is fine. So I can just go back, configure my content. You can see this is how it goes pasted there. And then now let's say I thought of adding one image over here as well. Let's grab some image. I'll just copy this image, going back to the editor of ours. Now you can simply move and paste your image over there. You can just customize, drag and drop. You can crop your image there. So a lot of things that you can just do. It's like all perfectly rendering as of now, so you do not have to worry about any UI rendering bugs and stuff. So this is how you can just do it. And then if you want to see the preview, you can do it this way. So you can see in a glimpse of the minutes, your content is perfectly ready. And even if I just go and figure out this link over here, you can see this gives me the preview for that, like where that exactly exists. Now you have seen that part over there. Just do one more thing. Let's say my plan also supports AI features, so I can simply go and can tap on the AI feature there. Let's grab write me an article on football in 500 words with images. So you can shuffle the models here whatever you want. So I can just simply go and can tap ask this section, and then the AI will do the magic there for any of the content writing as well. So if you have any blog section, any area where you need to create content, tickets, support tickets, you have CRMs, ERPs, wherever the content creation is required, you can simply just go and can integrate this and spend your time working on that product instead of working on the editor there. That's what the feature of this particular editor is. You can see I got my article over here. I can also enhance this article. You can just go and select this one. You can enhance, you can change the image, you can add more things into it with the AI. That's totally fine. Now if I'll just go back and see like how it actually going to look like on your section. So this is how it shows up. You can also get the preview right over there. So I'll do one thing. I'll just keep this content over here and I'll just create this to show you. So I have filled up the content over here. You can see I have filled the fields here, and then I'm just creating this article. Image is required, so I'll just drag and drop one image over here for now to get it uploaded, and then I'll just publish this article. Article published successfully. Now I'll just review over here. If I just go and open this article, you can see this is how it shows up there. So now you have a very rich text over here where we have everything that you can see. The way you have entered it over there, it's exactly showing the way here right over here. So you do not have to like handle any of the UI bugs and rendering stuff because we're already handling it. So that's what the power of the editor. This is how you can also integrate in any of your project wherever you need. So I hope this sorts the confusion on like how you can use it in a couple of minutes. That's all we have, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you.